everyone. Not sure if you can hear us, I haven't got the microphone on, but can you hear that? Oh, it's like a monsoon, look. Then pouring down. Got a bit of puddling happening there, but that's going to be normal. Bit of puddling here, but that's because obviously the tarp's over the top here, so I'll just basically get my brush handle here and just go up there and up it goes. There's one. Just to get this water off. And the same there, we can see a puddle here. And whee! Off it goes, loads of water comes off.
My football's going to be soaked.
That's just a football. But yeah, meant to be a storm. Tina's gone back to bed, she don't feel well. But yeah, so we're stuck in at the minute. It is meant to clear off by about 2 o'clock though, so this afternoon it's meant to be nice. It's still 26 degrees, so it's still going to be a warm one. It's a bit cool at the minute. But yeah, we ain't got nothing to film for you because it's horrible weather. And I ain't going out in that. Yeah, we're here till Sunday now as well. So instead of going home Friday, we're here till Sunday. So it's meant to be nice tomorrow, so we're going to go to a farm tomorrow. One that we've already been to before, but I'll still vlog it. It's a video in it, because I haven't done much video. Because when we're here at this site, obviously there's not much to film. Obviously I gave you a nice little tour yesterday of the campsite. But there's literally nothing else here to film, apart from if the kids are playing. But there's literally, with the rain like this in a tent, there's literally nothing to film whatsoever. So there's no point me chatting about nothing. I may as well wait until there is something to film. But look at it. So I've seen the horses over here playing today though. They're all running about together this morning when I was sat here. But that's why I like the tarp now, because we've got that little bit more room, because obviously Harvey's in the doorway there. Hiya. And just sat here now with my jacket over his legs. Look, we've got a bit of puddling again. You can see how much rain we're having. Look at the puddling. And up there again. So I'm going to have to bash that again in a minute. I'm not doing it hard, so it don't go through a tent. It's just the handle, just pushing it up a little bit. Because obviously with the weight of this now, with it wet, it's putting pressure on the roof here. Because if this is normally there, push forward more, but because of the weight, obviously it's bringing it forward and bringing it down a bit. So that's not a problem. I don't mind. I've got the brush, so I can just push it off. But yeah, it wasn't this bad this morning. It's now come down. This is probably the heaviest it's been. So yeah, so we may as well catch you later on when we're doing something. That's if it stops. I said it's going to stop about 2 o'clock, but you know what the English weather's like, it can change. So anyway, so we'll just for show you what's going on, which is nothing because it's raining. So anyway, love you all the bits and catch you later. Hey up everyone. Oh, again lazy, so ain't done a video for a bit. Let's see, well I guess you want to show them. Yeah. You've seen what they're playing with here. Well, not playing with, but
this right there.
Right there, little ladybird, look. Oh, he's flown on me now, he's there, look.
If he can fly now.
Wait a minute. No. Just see him there, it's not focusing very well. That's not focusing. It's there, sort of. Little ladybird.
Can have him back now.
Is he going to go there? He's just stuck firm. Oh, sorry everybody. Looks like he's having a wash or something. It's not picking it up very well on camera though.
Yeah, he's having a wash. How he can't have a wash with his wings? Gonna fly on you or me? His wings are broken.
No, he just flew onto me.
Yeah, right there.
So yeah, got a little ladybird. It went over into the pool with Harvey. It hasn't left us since. It's just been on us. Oh, he's running, isn't he? Look at him go. There you go. He's on Harvey now.
He's right there.
Yeah, running around. Oh, off he goes. Where's he going?
Where's he going?
He's flying now, look.
You know, I can see him.
Oh, he's gone now.
Wait. He's got to come back. He's coming back. Wait, what? Wait, what?
Yeah, so I've been not playing, but been having a ladybird with us.
I don't know. Can't see him.
He gone now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Joking then, Andrew.
I'm going to show you the horses at some point when they're actually at the fence. There's a few more campers just turned up. One here that was here last week. And it's another family over in the tent opposite. So probably starting to pick up really for the weekend. Comrade and the girls down there, the girls come up to us and asked if we wanted a paddleboard because they don't use it, but I would have had one, but there's no way I'm going to be able to fit it in the car to go home with, which is a shame because I've always wanted one.
Maybe I can fit on it.
You can't, there's nowhere to put it, mate. Oh. No, it would have been a paddleboard. They're all about the same size, I think. Shame, but we'll get one at some point.
I want one.
What, so we could take you in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, big something good, wouldn't it? I'll be alright on one of them because I could just sit on it and then just paddle around with Harvey and Andrew on it or something like that anyway. We'll have to get one, won't we?
You want one? No.
Oh, well, we're not doing anything, mate. Tina's got one of the reds again.
I'm just sitting here.
I'm just sitting here. The kids are playing football over there.
Oh.
So, yeah, nothing to film, nothing to do, we're just chilling. Obviously going out tomorrow anyway.
To a farm.
It's only down the road, like, so it's not too far.
6 minutes away.
So, anyway, leave it here for now. Obviously I'll be doing tea shortly anyway. So, that sausage and that might just do potatoes and beans or something like that. We'll work something out. I've got to check them potatoes actually, I'll check them now. As I remember. So, we'll catch you all in a bit. Oh, what a catastrophe we've just had yet again. Not gone well, has it, this time? Biggest sausages we got. Yeah, again, not out of date till tomorrow. They've been in our fridge, the new fridge, the fridge is cold. Yeah, stunk. So I've had to quickly run out and get a couple of packs of sausage from the co-op. Yeah, $2.65 each. Might not sound a lot, but yeah, but couldn't believe it, so I had to rush out and get them. But we got them in. Probably wondering what we're having anyway. Here you are, Chris. Look at what we're using. Got Kong out. And the deep pan. Got both out. Anyway, I'll have to turn these up to get them going. We've got sausage in there. Yes, I know there's a load. But they've split between the four of us. And we've got boiled potatoes in the other one they put you on, yeah. Nothing interesting. And also we've got some beans as well. Just something quick and simple. Well, quick and simple. Time's getting on now. I mean, it's 25 to 7 already. Good God. Tina's just sat over there, look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, got Kong out again. So, we'll leave this one here for now. Catch you in a bit. Help, everyone. I ain't done a video for a bit since tea. It was a lovely dinner this time. Even though I had to go out and get more sausage again. Well, I didn't the first time, just couldn't be bothered, but this time I did. And obviously keeping me on the kids because they ended up just over there with some other campers. Tina's just gone to the showers with them now. So if yous are watching over there, hello. New campers here. Got some new campers here opposite. So there's a few on now, which is good to see. It's been quiet all week. It's just nice to see everybody out and about. Sorry if I look a bit pixelated because it is getting a bit dark now. I don't know if there's any way I can... no, I can't adjust anything. It's getting dusk now, it's getting dark. Tina's took the boys to the shower. Me and Tina are going to go in the shower tomorrow. going out tomorrow to another farm. We've been there before. Anyway, you'd have probably seen, well, you would have seen previously, but go and see if there's anything new there this time. If not, may as well just video it. It's a videos for you, isn't it? So, especially if there's any new subscribers that haven't seen the last one and they want to see this one. So, yeah, so if there's any new subscribers, which I think there's a couple, hello, welcome. I'm Jamie, wife's Tina, and 2 boys, Andrew, Harvey, and we're the Ellmers Adventures. If you want to know what we get up to, basically, we normally have a caravan, but we've got problems with that there, so we can't tow. So we're basically back in the old tent. So that's how we started YouTube in the first place. Anyway, we started with the tent, but now we got upgraded to a caravan and back down to a tent again. Things may change next year though, so keep watching. Exciting things coming next year. So yeah, basically we travel all over the UK. I mean, we've been here twice now. First time was our first time here, but then this time we've come to the festival but had a long stay here. So that's why you're seeing 2 lots of Willow Fields. This is obviously the second time we're here, not the first. Just in case anyone was wondering, thinking, oh, you're at Willow Fields for an awful long time. You've been there about 2 months now. First time we come was May. We're now in, well, basically we're in, what date are we on now? 1st of August. Oh, 1st of August already, blimey. That's gone quick, isn't it? This year's just going nowhere. But then again, it's a good thing because next year's a good year, hopefully. Well, if plans go the way they go, but knowing our luck, our plans never go the way we want them to go, so we'll see what happens and what mishaps happen. But obviously, if you want to know more or anything about what's been going on, like with my leg or car trouble and all this and that, look back at some of the videos. There's plenty on there to have a look and go into detail. We basically review everywhere we go as well. If it's good, bad, average, you know, we're truthful. No, not scripted in any way. What you see is what you get. So, might be some mishaps on the way, which there already probably has been. Accidental swearing. Yeah, I think Tina's slipped up a couple of times on videos, or if she has or someone else has, I've had to cut the clip slightly to cut it out, because we're a family channel, so we don't want to hear all this swearing and that, especially if there's any youngsters watching. We try and keep it family orientated anyway, but all these places we go, obviously as we're a family of 4, obviously we make sure we see what's good for the kids as well, because obviously we've got kids, we've got to keep them entertained, so it's good for us, it's good for you if you've got family, and it's also if you're on your own. It doesn't matter either way. I mean, so far at this campsite at Willow Fields, I mean, we've never extended any stays on any other campsite till now. The first time we come to Willow Fields back in May, we extended it 2 days. I think it was 2 days we extended it to. And we're doing the same now, because we were meant to go home tomorrow, but we're now here till Sunday. So what's that telling you? That we really, really, really love this site. It's quiet. The staff are lovely. Gabby and John. Those will be the people you meet when you first come here, if any of yous do. Hopefully you do. If you're heading this way into Doncaster, even just for a stopover for a night, they'll put you up for the night. Or they also, that's why they do charge, they also let you empty your toilets and fill up water and that. I think they do a charge, but I can't think what it is. But obviously this campsite, you are best booking online, because I asked Gabby that and she'd rather have everyone book online, because it's an automated system for what pictures are left and what are available. But they'll try and squeeze you in where they can if they're full anyway. Always, if they are full, when it says on website full, just give them a ring. She might be able to try and squeeze you on, because every little helps for you and for obviously the owners. And there's you know, you can't say it's a little site really. I've shown you a tour around. You can see how big it goes all the way over there, look. All the way, look. It's a big site, massive field. They've also got hard standing as well, and they've also, like I said before, trailers and everything you can hire here as well. So it's not just for camping, you can hire the trailers and American RV and everything, so they hire all them out. So yeah, definitely come and check this place out if you're coming up this way. So where is it? It's Hacksey in Doncaster. So South Yorkshire. Lovely little place. Obviously, if you've got kids, until Johnny's got planning permission for the park, I would just suggest you make sure you bring some things for the kids to do. I mean, there's some walks. You've got the village just down the road as well, which has a park down the village, not far from here. So there's a nice little park there for the kids. So there is plenty to do. Village is a lovely little village as well. They do festivals here as well, from all sorts. Like you've just seen the festival here. That was Haxey Summerfest. Do van builds, they do fireworks and things for Halloween. Well, depending on the weather, because obviously it's grass. So if it's boggy, they have to cancel, which is fair enough. But they do all sorts. And then obviously through the weeks and that, it's quite quiet and peaceful as well. So if you want to be on your own and just go somewhere quiet, place to come. We'll be definitely back here, that's for sure. Don't know when it'll be. It'll probably be next year we're back here. Because obviously, we're with Chris and Sam. Hopefully this month. Because it's 1st of August now. I said to Tina next month. It's August. It's this month now, 1st of August. God, it's gone quick. And then obviously in October, we're back to Withensea again. Well, hopefully anyway. Depending on if they're fully booked. So anyway, I'll leave this one here for now. And we'll catch you all in a bit. Ta-da, everyone. Evening, everyone. How you all doing? Right, last clip of the night. Ooh, she'll go ghost in here. Oh. It's not Halloween yet. Don't need a mask though. Anyway, not doing nothing now. It's all pitch black, look. You can see some other tents over there, all lit up, look. If you can see them from here, I'm not sure what the camera's going to pick up from here. So, pitch black.
I've got something tickling my face.
It's not me. But we're on 10 to 11 already. I doubt I'll be watching a film tonight, it's too late now. Plus I've still got a little bit of headache from earlier. Your Tina's there. If you can see, there she is, you can just see her. Glowing from your phone. Right, so anyway, love and leave you all. So don't forget, I know I say it all the time, but I do it to remind you all as well. Don't forget, give us a subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. It's completely free. And give us a share wherever you can possible. And tell all your friends and family. And if you go camping with someone, tell them, go and check this channel out. It would be much appreciated. So anyway, good night, everybody. Say good night.
Night.
She didn't know I was filming her then. So good night. See you in the morning, everyone. Love you all.